Hi everyone, it's Joe. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the January 2021 Club La La Land Crafts kit reveal. So I just want to show you what's included in this month's kit. So it is a subscription, a monthly subscription. So you can choose to either get the whole kit, which includes the rubber stamps and the coordinating dies, or you can just subscribe monthly for the rubber stamps by themselves, or the dies by themselves, or again the whole kit. So anyways, this is what you get in your club kit. You get this nice postcard, this nice big postcard. Says Club La La Land Crafts, and on the other side it says thank you for subscribing. So some people use this also to attach their rubber stamps to when they put it away and organize it, so you can do that. So you get that postcard there, and then also you get this detailed product kit that itemizes everything in your kit. So in this month's January club kit, you get the 2 stamp sets, which is Queen of Hearts Marcy, and then also the Ace It stamp set. So here's Marcy in her Queen of Hearts outfit, and you have 3 sentiments here, and then you have 2 game cards, the spades, Ace of Spades and Ace of Hearts images, and then you have 3 sentiments there. And then the dies, you get the Standing Flamingo, you get the Chess and Queen die set right here, and then also the playing card dies, which includes this card die here, this little piece, and then all the cards, which is the hearts, spades, diamonds, and clovers. So you have the large set, and then you have the mini set. And then here is the itemized list. The retail value is $75.99, and then you also get exclusive project tutorials, and usually there's a link here that you can get your tutorials once you get your kit. And then I'll put all the links in the description box below, as well as the link to my blog where I show you also the projects that I made. So let me just show you real quick. Here are the rubber stamps. They're cling mounted, and obviously I used them already, so I cut them up, but they do come with this backing here, and they're nice and thick. This is Marcy and the sentiments, and then you can compare that with my hand. And then here are the Ace It stamp sets, which are the playing cards, and then these are the sentiments. So it's a nice big stamp set. And then here are the dies. So it comes in a regular La La Land packaging. This is just how I store my dies on a magnetic sheet. So here is the flamingo, compare it to my hand, the king and queen chess pieces, and then this is the playing cards die set. So here's the card, here's the little piece for the card right here, and then here are your little shapes. Here's the large, and then here is there's also the mini right there. So those are the dies, the stamps, you get the product itemized sheet, and then you get the postcard. So that is the January club kit for this month. And then here are my projects. So the first one is, here's Queen of Hearts Marcy. Here I colored her with Copic markers. I also used the postage stamps dies to go along with it, and here, right, this black cardstock here is the die from the playing card set. Here's the king and queen chess pieces, and the sentiment is queen for the day, and then here's the heart die cut, and then here's another die. So I popped her up on foam adhesive tape. So that is the first card. And then the second card, this is a mini slimline card, which measures 3.5 by 6. And then here are the playing cards. I colored them, and then I fussy cut them out. And then here is the die right here that you cut 2 pieces, and then you put them one on top of the other like so. And then here is the die cuts right there, and then here is the spade die cut. Here's the king and queen chess pieces, and then I layered the larger dies here, and then the smaller ones there. So I have them alternating. And then here is the sentiment. You'll ace it. And then this grass border die is from the La La Land Crafts collection. And then here is the spades and the hearts. So that is the second card. So those are my 2 cards. Again, I'll have all the Copic colors and details on my blog, so I'll put the link in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this January kit reveal, and I'll see you soon. Bye.